In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable parallel downloading feature on your Google Chrome browser. Now, by enabling parallel downloading, you'll be able to accelerate your downloading speed on your Google Chrome browser on your Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, or even Android devices. This is so much important or helpful when you have maybe low speed internet and you want to utilize the bandwidth. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser, because this feature is available on Google Chrome. Once you get here, go ahead and click on search here and then type in Chrome :/ and then plugs, just like that, and click on enter. Now this will take you to this menu where we have a lot of settings that you can apply. From this, go ahead and using the search bar here, go ahead and search parallel, and you can see it has already brought us the suggestion parallel downloading here, and we are told enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed on Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, and also on Android. To enable it, go ahead and click on this drop down arrow and then click on enabled. Once you have enabled it, you have to go ahead and relaunch your Google Chrome browser. For these effects to take place, to relaunch, just go ahead and click on this relaunch button here, and this will go ahead and relaunch your Google Chrome browser. Now, once the browser has been relaunched, you will see your parallel downloading feature will be enabled. So that's how you enable parallel downloading feature on your Google Chrome browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.